Jay was lost. Too many choices, too much pressure. He didn't know what to do with his life. One night, scrolling his phone, he saw 3:33 a.m. Next day, his bill 333 rupees. Even a stranger's jersey had 333 on it. He searched. 333 means your mind, body, and soul are aligning. The universe is guiding you. Trust yourself. That gave him clarity. He stopped overthinking, chose what felt right, and started his passion project. Weeks later, it took off. Today, he's doing what he loves and inspiring others. Jay says, 333 told me I wasn't alone. The universe had my back. If you're seeing 333, trust your path. You're being guided.